Nothing brings people together like good food. So today I present another dish with a mixture of spices and subtle flavors from my home kitchen. It's an Indian curry made with methi leaves, fresh fenugreek leaves. It's super tasty and easy to make. Let's begin with the recipe. First, we take 2 cups of fresh fenugreek leaves or methi. You can also use kasuri methi, which is dried methi leaves. You can get it in Indian stores. 1 cup of green peas. Here I am using the frozen green peas. 1 large onion roughly diced. Half cup cashews. Green chilies finely chopped. Ginger paste. You can also use freshly grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon. Now we start cooking methi or fenugreek leaves first. So take a pan to boil water. Take approximately 2 cups of water. Even excess water is fine as we got to drain it at later end. Now put all fresh methi leaves inside and cook it for like 5 minutes till the leaves get cooked. We have to cook methi first and drain it. This step is done to remove little bit of the bitterness from methi leaves. After 5 minutes of cooking, put it in a cold water to cool it down. If you like methi bitter flavor, then you can use this water, else you can discard it. Now again take pan, add cashews and onions. Put water and boil it for 5 minutes till the onions are softer. This will remove the sharpness from the onions and also the cashews get softer. While onion and cashews are cooking, we will take a strainer and strain all methi leaves. Remove all excess water. Once all the water is removed, we will chop it finely with a knife. Removing excess water is important so we don't dilute our sabzi. It is not too runny and too liquidy. It stays creamy. Remove all excess water as much as possible. Once onions and cashews are completely boiled in water, switch off the stove and drain onions and cashews to remove all excess water. Cool it down completely before blending it. Do not discard onions and cashews water. We can use the same water for blending them. To this we add our green chilies, either chopped or 2 green chilies should be fine. Add the same water in which onions and cashews were boiled for blending. Approx 1/4 cup. Blend it to a smooth paste. It should not be too runny. Now it's time to make gravy. So take a pan, add some oil. Put cumin, let it crackle. After it starts crackling, add hing as a fatida. Add ginger paste or fresh ginger, whatever you prefer. Add cashews and onions blended paste. Salt as per taste or 1 teaspoon. Let the gravy get cooked properly so all the excess water gets boiled and we get like a creamy textured gravy at the end. Now we add sour cream. You can also use malai, that's milk cream. Do not use yogurt instead of sour cream because yogurt might get a little bit more sour in taste. So use either sour cream or malai. Now we add garam masala. Then add fenugreek leaves, methi leaves, which we cooked earlier. Then we add green peas. Here I'm using frozen green peas, so it gets thawed immediately when you put it in hot pan. If you are using fresh green peas, boil it once before you put it in the sabzi. And our sabzi is ready. It looks very creamy and tasty. I have tried to maintain white color as much as possible. It looks very creamy. You can garnish it with coriander and with fresh cream before you serve. Serve it with any Indian bread of your choice. Hope you liked my video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Share it with your friends and family and let me know your views and comments. Thank you.